I'm Ron from Kolleno, your go-to platform for streamlining your invoice management. In this tutorial, I walk you through how to suspend a subscription line item in SuiteBilling. So first we need to go to the subscriptions. I will choose one of them and simply click on View. And then in the Actions menu, you click on Suspend. You can then choose the effective date, the modification type. Ignored means that the change order has no analytics revenue impact. You will need to choose by clicking on Apply or the line items that you want to suspend. If it's grayed out, it means that the item is not available for suspension. You will click on Save when you're done. Make sure to subscribe to this channel for more helpful NetSuite tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.